Hello guys and welcome to my channel again. Today I want to talk with you about very important thing, but while I'm talking to you I want to make my coffee in the morning, and I want to talk to you guys about everything. So let's start the video and let's start talking about it. This video is sponsored by Tashtibi, our interior design freelancer. They are doing business in Dubai. They are doing a freelance job as an interior design, any kind of design you can imagine. Shop, a restaurant, and office, for example. After we make the coffee, the Tashtibi company in Dubai, and let me talk about it, is that they are doing everything related to design. Like if you have a shop, they are doing the shop. If you have a restaurant, they are doing the restaurant. If you have a villa, if you have an apartment, anything, if you want any kind of furniture, if it's not exist, they're trying to make it happen for you. Anything you can imagine in your head for interior design, they are doing it. And this actually, it's very nice because they are very young people and they are doing a freelance job, plus also that they are talented. They are showing you the 3D Max picture before they are starting the job, before they're starting doing everything. They're telling you this is the picture, it's gonna be like your house, your shop, your restaurant is gonna be like this picture, the same. And you have the choice to say yes or no, or to change something. So actually, when I met them and I talked to them and I told them, okay, I want to see how you guys doing everything, and I was insist because like I'm having nothing to do anyway because I'm home. So I was like, guys, okay, I want to come with you. I want to record the video before and after. I want to show the people what actually you are doing, the pictures before and the picture after. So let's go and see that, guys, and come back. The main purpose of this video, if you have any new shop, any new restaurant, think about a new decoration to redecorate your house. You're thinking to open a restaurant, you're thinking to open a coffee shop, a bar, whatever you are opening, whatever is your business, and you need a decor, please don't hesitate to call them and to contact them, because they are perfect and they are doing a great job. And that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. if you have anything related to interior, don't hesitate to contact them. Touch TV. That's it for today, guys. I see you soon, and bye bye.